feel that we're bringing something new, something slightly different to this medical district.
Looking at how we tell our stories. Ultimately, I think that that's what therapy might be about. Every supervision session, certainly group supervision session, it's always amazing and surprising what emerges from it. Not just for each therapist, each supervisee, but for everybody in the room. Each person brings their own particular narrative or their own particular story, but what we all bring is that process of storying, of narrating, and that we all share. The what of the story may differ in different ways. The fact that we story things, that we create narratives, that's what binds us all together. We're narrational beings. We're beings who tell stories to each other about ourselves, about others, about the world. And while each story is unique and different, the fact that it is a story is shareable at all levels.
We have narrowed our possibilities, and I see people expanding through the work that we do.